Today's topic is the Higgs boson theory, means the God particle theory. The Higgs boson, sometimes called the Higgs particle, is an elementary particle in the standard model of particle physics, produced by quantum excitation of the Higgs field. One of the fields in the particle physics theory. In the standard model, the Higgs particle is a massive scalar boson with zero spin. Even party, no electric charge and no color charge that couples to mass. It is also very unstable, decaying into other particle almost immediately upon generation. The Higgs field is a scalar field with two neutral and two electrically charged components that form a complex doublet of the weak isospin symmetry. Its Mexican hat-shaped potential leads it to take a non-zero value everywhere, which breaks the weak isospin symmetry of the electroweak interaction and via the Higgs mechanism gives mass to many particles. Both the field and the boson are named after physicist Peter Higgs, who in 1964, along with five other scientists in three teams, proposed the Higgs mechanism, a way for some particle to acquire mass. Fundamental particle known at the time should be massless at very high energies, but fully explaining how some particle gain mass at lower energies had been extremely difficult. If the ideas were correct, a particle known as a scalar boson should also exist. This particle was called the Higgs boson and could be used to test whether the Higgs field was the correct explanation. After 40 years, such a subatomic particle with the expected properties was discovered in 2012 by the ATLAS and CMS experiment at the Large Hadron Collider (LHC) at CERN near Geneva, Switzerland. The new particle was subsequently confirmed to match the expected properties of a Higgs boson. Physicists from two of the three teams, Peter Higgs and Francois Englert, were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2013 for their theoretical prediction. Although Higgs' name has come to be associated with this theory, several researchers between about 1960 and 1972 independently developed different parts of it. In the mainstream media, the Higgs boson is sometimes called the God particle after the 1993 book The God Particle by Nobel laureate Leon Lenderman, although the nickname has been criticized by many physicists.